In this video, we're going to be exploring the systems of inequalities, meaning we're going to have a graph of two different functions, and we're going to have a shaded region from those two different functions. So if we graph the first equation, which is y is less than x squared minus 3, graphing x squared minus 3, it starts at negative 3, everything's moved down. And then it follows the normal graph for x squared. So over 1, up 1, and over 2, up 4. Now we could continue this over 3, up 9. And because this is less than, this would be a dotted line as we draw this graph of this function. This curve's going through these points. And because this says that y is less than, it means all of the values, all of your y values are going to be everything less than this parabola. So that would mean everything that's outside of this parabola out in here. Now I graph the second equation. You got negative x squared plus 4, so that means it's going to be up 4. And then it's our negative x squared function, meaning it's going down instead of up, following the same key points, 2, 4, and 3, 9. So again, we would have this curved line. It's also not equal to as well, which means we draw it in dotted lines. And this is also everything greater. So this one's greater than the function rather than less than the function. So the y values greater are everything up from this thing. So it'd be in this area like this. Now, this does look really confusing, but if you notice, this area out here on the left and this area out here on the right is shaded by both the red and the blue. So if I take this blue, so you can see that it's shaded out here on the left and out here on the right. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove those pieces. Also, I'm going to remove these red pieces because we know that it's everything out on the left side and on the right side that would be shaded in. So shading from both sections, we were less than the blue section, but greater than the red section. So it would be all of this area out here, and also all of this area out here. So these are your solution areas. Meaning that any point out here in the solution area would satisfy both of these equations for x and y.